simpletome hairdryer desktop storage stand holder for Dyson. Because of the great attention to every detail, our products are packaged in safe, branded boxes, not in bags like other brands. Our products are made of high-quality carbon steel and 3 times the surface coating process, stable and no shaking. You only need to use 2 screws, you can easily complete the assembly. Compared with other brands of products, our products have a smoother surface, more rounded edges, better feel, not easy to leave water stains and fingerprints, can be used for many years. From now on, you can pick up the hairdryer more easily and say goodbye to the messy countertop. Choose a simple life to me. Simple to me.